Today, we're gonna find out if cooking a steak in an air fryer is as good as it is on a grill. But it's just not any grill. It's the Blackstone griddle. All right, steak on the Blackstone is done. Cooked it about 6 minutes, maybe 7 minutes. Still see some blood coming off. That's all right. We're gonna take it off, throw it in this pan, cover it with this pan, let it cook the rest of the way on its own heat. I tell you one thing I cannot get over is how easy it is to clean this thing. Just make sure you season it before you use it. Takes a while to season it. Took me a whole one of these 1 pound bottles to season one of these last week. But I'll tell you what, absolutely worth it. Look at that. Non-stick, nothing sticks. Just use a little water in a rag, wipes right off. Plus, gotta get this. Gotta get the Blackstone scraper, which also comes with the spatulas. You got the solid spatula and then the one with the little waves going through it, their logo. This griddle's awesome. We're done with it. Let's go check on the air fryer steak, and right there's the grilled steak for now. All right, we got back in just perfect time. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, look at that. Looks beautiful already. I'm telling you what, I love the air fryer steak. It's amazing. Go ahead and put a little more salt on it. I'm not gonna use a coarse salt this time. Get that back in there, let it finish. It's got like 5 minutes left. Yep. All right, we'll check it out in a minute. There it is, folks. 6 minutes, 7 minutes maybe on the griddle. 12 minutes in the air fryer. Flipped once, also flipped once. Just salt and pepper, olive oil. All right, we're gonna cut into these and see what they look like. This one definitely looks better, but sticking the fork in that one actually might feel a little more tender. All right, let's cut into them. This one's already coming apart, so let's see. This is like almost rare. Cut this one. Actually, this one came out about rare too. So, they're two different pieces of meat, came from the same pack. I'm gonna have to say the griddle one. It's got the caramelization of it. Put a little bit of pressure on it when I cooked it for about 3 minutes with the spatula. You can use a brick and foil too, I've seen, to put the pressure on it. That gets that caramelization of everything, the good sear on it, which is what we got here. This, of course, doesn't have a sear because it was done in the air fryer. But let me tell you something. I've cooked many steaks in the air fryer, usually T-bones, and they are excellent. There is no knock. If you can't afford to get a griddle and you have an air fryer, use the air fryer. It's like 12 minutes. You can flip it at 6 minutes. Just throw some salt and pepper on it. If you like it done a little bit longer, put it in leave it in like an extra minute or two, but don't go any more than 14 minutes or else you're gonna have an overdone steak. All right, I'm gonna eat these because my family doesn't want any.